To be able to receive signs from the universe, you have to be in alignment with the universe. Hi guys, my name is Yana Badashita and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is going to be how to interpret signs from the universe, and we're going to talk about angel numbers as well. If you like these type of spiritual topics, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, because I post topics on vision boards, manifestation, law of attraction, life purpose, and all of those good spiritual topics. So if you like that, then definitely subscribe and also hit the bell button to be notified about my weekly videos. So thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. Also, watch the video until the end to get a great story about how I actually found out what my sign from the universe was. So first and foremost, guys, it's very important to understand that we as humans and the universe, we are all one. We are a whole. Just like the universe is a part of our lives, we are part of the universe, you know? So we are one. And since we are one, we are also connected to everything on an energetic level. Everything that we can touch and everything that we can see, and also everything that we cannot see, but things that we can think and say, this is also energy. So energy is completely surrounding us the whole time. And energy is just molecules and atoms working together. So signs are energy, just like our thoughts are energy, and everything that we see around us, it is energy as well. We can receive signs from the universe in many different ways, through angel numbers and also through just symbols as well. Also, it's very important to know that before we actually receive a sign from the universe, we have to kind of like tell the universe that we are ready to grow spiritually. We are ready to actually receive signs and to understand them, and that we are grateful for these signs. If you feel that you are aligned with the universe, or that the universe wants to tell you something, or if you just generally want to learn about this topic, then definitely watch this video until the end, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel below to be able to get content like this weekly, for you to be able to grow on your spiritual journey as well. So now let's get straight into that really juicy stuff. So first and foremost, to be able to receive signs from the universe, you have to be in alignment with the universe. The best way to be in alignment with the universe is to practice meditation. Through meditation, you will automatically feel like you're in alignment. And I will share some really cool meditation links below in the description of this video, so make sure you check that out. Another great thing that you can do that will also bring you into alignment and will literally lift up your vibrations is to be grateful. When you wake up in the morning, be grateful for what you have. Name like 3 to 5 things what you're grateful for. That will automatically lift your vibrations. If you want, then also meditate for 10 minutes in the morning or in the evening, or whatever time you want. So you automatically try and live your everyday life on a higher vibrational level. And when you do this, you will automatically be in alignment with yourself and with the universe. When you ask the universe for a sign, it means that you want to collaborate with the universe. You have to feel and believe in the universe, and really believe that it is 100% behind you, and it is kind of like guiding you. When you feel that surrender to the higher power, the higher good. When you do this, and you will practice it through meditation and through gratitude, you will automatically be on an aligned vibrational frequency, and that way the universe can really contact you. To be able to see universal signs, you also have to practice it. And the best form of practicing is actually through angel numbers. And as I said, angel numbers are synchronicities. They're like double digits or just a number that repeats itself multiple times. For example, 1111 or 777 or 888 or 222 or 1212 or 1818. It's double digits or just one number that repeats itself multiple times. That's an angel number. And it's called angel number because it's kind of like, if you believe in guardian angels or just angels or higher universal guides, they send kind of like little messages and little warning signs to you when you are in alignment with the universe. And you can see angel numbers angel numbers on car plates, like on car signs, I think that's what they're called, or on house numbers, telephone numbers, anywhere. Like, you can see it on the most random places. And when you are more and more in alignment with the universe, you will start seeing angel numbers more and more often. And when you start doing this, you can then start interpreting angel numbers as well, because they are signs from the universe. So for me, it started really like this. I started meditating, and through meditation, your intuition will also start growing. And if you kind of like explore your spirituality, you will automatically start growing in your spiritual journey. And the universe loves that, and the universe will reward you with angel numbers as well. So when you start meditating and start being in alignment, then you will start receiving angel numbers and you will start seeing them. And then make sure when you see an angel number, believe that it is a sign from the universe or a symbol from the universe. And then also Google the angel number just to check what the meaning of it is. So most common examples are 1111, and according to numerology, the number 11 is the master number, which signifies intuition, insight, and enlightenment. So automatically, to be able to see this number, your intuition and your kind of spiritual enlightenment also has to grow. When paired together, 1111 is a clear message from the universe to become conscious and aware. Many people suggest seeing 1111 signifies that your spirit guides are attempting to contact you. In my experience, 1111 seems to be the number of spiritual awakening, signifying that you are on the right path and that your actions are aligned with your soul's purpose. So automatically, when you, for example, start your spiritual journey, it is very common that people start seeing the number 1111 anywhere, like on an order, anywhere, on the microwave, anywhere, and it shows that you're on the right path and that you should continue this journey. There are many angel numbers as well, like 555, 444, 222, 333, as I said, 1818, 1212, and stuff like that, and they all have a meaning. Make sure that you look out for these angel numbers, and before that, meditate and do gratitude and just start changing your mindset into a little bit more of a spiritual one. A great book recommendation that I can give you is Universe Has Your Back by Gabrielle Bernstein. Also, before I get into how I actually found my sign and how you can find yours as well, I just wanted to say one thing about angel numbers. I completely believe in spirit guides. I completely believe that the universe is behind us and that we should 100% live our absolute best life, and the universe wants us to live our best life. And once I had the number 1212 pop up simultaneously on one day, and I rarely see number 1212, and I didn't Google it in the beginning. I only Googled it when it was actually too late, and I think I wrote this down as well. So Angel number 12, 12 means that a change is coming. It may be that an external shift is taking place or that you're entering a challenging time in a relationship. Try not to overreact. And I actually did not Google this angel number and I kind of ignored it. And it said that challenges in a relationship are going to start, and Swan and I had this huge fight as well on that day with my partner. So I was just, and I Googled it after the fight, and I was like, oh my goodness, this angel number was a warning sign. Also, when you are open to receiving signs and angel numbers from the universe, your guardian angels and the universe will automatically always and always send you angel numbers or your sign. So now it's time for that little story about how I figured out what my sign was. And basically it was like this. As I said, I was like meditating, being in alignment, reading books, educating myself on my spiritual journey, and through that I was getting more and more into alignment. And then I really started getting into angel numbers and checking them out and looking what they mean, and it really did feel right for me. And then I said, okay, I think I'm ready to actually have like my own sign. And the first thing that popped into my head was like a blue butterfly and also a bee. But I decided that the bee was gonna really be like my sign. And your sign can literally like be anything. Like the first thing that actually pops into your head when you think of a sign is mostly the correct sign for you. And then I like said, okay, universe, my sign is a bee, and I'm gonna ask you this one question. And then I literally asked one really important question, and I said, if it is true, if the answer is yes, for example, then show me a bee in the next hour. And I'll tell you this, there was no bee in sight. Like, it was impossible to actually see a bee. And then out of nowhere, I walked past a window and there was a massive sticker of like two bees like flying around honey. And I was like, okay, that's my sign. And it was within an hour. It was actually in the first 15 minutes. And then that answered my question. And like 5 months later, I was like, okay, I want to answer now this question. And then I also said, like, universe, if this and this is true, and you have to feel like really in alignment, and you have to feel really humble, and you have to feel really mindful when kind of setting these questions. And then I asked, like, and it just happened like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. I was in my car and I was like, if this is true, and if I should do this, and I said what it was, then show me a bee in the next hour. And literally, like, if you follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram is Your Mind is Heaven, you will see in my Insta story that I kind of went crazy. Like, I was like, I could not believe, like, it was so crazy that I literally, like, I went to work, and then like 40 minutes after I asked the question, I actually saw like a bee at work. Like, it was insane. Like, not an actual bee, but like a sticker of a bee in the craziest place ever. And I was like, okay, that means yes, or, you know. And that's how you kind of like interpret it. But it's really important to be in alignment, and it's really important to be humble and mindful and grateful and just at peace. And then look out for angel numbers and kind of practice that every day. Kind of don't force it, but just practice it, and you will automatically see that you attract more and more angel numbers, that you're more and more open to receiving them. So yeah, guys, to summarize it, start meditating, start being grateful, start being in alignment. And then when you start being in alignment, you will see that your intuition will also develop as well. And then you start seeing angel numbers, then you start interpreting angel numbers. Your spiritual growth will develop, and the universe will see that you are ready to take in signs from the universe. And yeah, And then you will see signs, and then you will feel amazing, and then you can just say like, oh, this is my sign. If this and this is true, then show me the sign. And when you're in abundance, you will see the sign, and it will be awesome. If you have any questions, then definitely comment below, or you can also send me a message on my Instagram, which is Your Mind is Heaven. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day, week, month. And yeah, see you in my next YouTube video. Bye.